Fishy. Can you say fish? Fish, fish. Fish, fish. What else you got in there? You want to check what else is in here? Look, Avery. There's another one. Can you help open it? What's this book? It's the belly button book. Oh, you done with that one? You want to look at the belly button book now? Look, it's the hippos with the belly buttons. Isn't that funny? Look at their big old belly buttons. Yeah, that's your stocking. Your Grammy made that for you. Grammy made your stocking for you. Isn't it pretty? Well, stick your books up here. What else is in here? Another one! Santa must have thought you were a good girl. What's in here? Look, Avery. It says, guess how much I love you. You gonna read it to Mommy and Daddy? Yeah. It's got a rabbit down the front. Can you say Merry Christmas to Daddy? Say, I just love books. I just love books. Yeah.